To install Google Chrome on Linux Mint, first go to google.com/chrome and download the 64bit.deb package. Once the file is downloaded, right-click it, select Open with Package Installer, and then click Install Package. There are a couple of ways to upgrade Chrome to the latest version. One method is to download the .deb package again from the Chrome website and install it using the package installer. This will upgrade the browser without deleting your settings and data. You can also use the command line to update Chrome. First, update the package list, then run apt install google-chrome-stable. Another way is to use the Linux Mint Update Manager. If Google Chrome is not listed in the update list, click the refresh button and check for updates again.